If you're an in-demand contractor pouring multiple swimming pools each day, you need the best concrete poured from the best mixer that offers you the best options. That means you need the G95 Gunite Mixer from ProAll. Gunite is the preferred concrete for swimming pools because of its ability to be shaped into any design, allowing for unlimited creative flexibility. It creates a sturdy shell that eliminates defects, and there's no risk of cold joints forming when pours stop or start. Its strength allows for deeper pools, and it requires less spades and fewer personnel to pour, without sacrificing quality, making it the most cost-effective option. With the G95 Gunite Mixer, you receive onboard digital controls and cement speed verification that ensures the perfect pour every time. Because Gunite doesn't require an onboard water tank, the G95 features extensive volume, with the ability to carry 415 cubic feet of sand and 113 cubic feet of cement. Operation is intuitive, allowing drivers to set up the equipment, step back and let the equipment do the work for them to provide a consistent, reliable mix. The Ranger control system automates the system by continuously measuring components while also showing vital performance information, like air pressure and hydraulic oil pressure. This puts all operations in one convenient location, allowing for changes to be made quickly and easily. Sensors monitor the mix, meaning that if changes are made at the job site, the system can be configured to stop operations, providing a safety measure to ensure owners and customers that only the correct product is being delivered. With preset amounts of sand and cement going into the pour, you can track your costs more easily and make adjustments to eliminate wasted materials. Plus, with an expedited production output of 35 cubic yards per hour, you'll wonder how you ever poured pools without it. Rely on the best. Rely on the G95 Gunite Mixer. For more information, contact ProAll today to get pouring.